equation, I need to calculate the value for x. Okay. Now LCM equation is not given in a proper quadratic form. तो इस मकसद के लिए मुझे क्या करना है? What I need to do, मुझे इसकी fractions को ख़त्म करना है और equation को simplify करना है, right? तो उसके लिए हमारे पास मेथड ये होता है कि we multiply the equation by the LCM. LCM इस टाइम मेरे पास डिनोमिनेटर्स कौन से? x minus 6 and x minus 5. तो जब हम इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो देखें x minus 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x minus 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई फर्स्ट टर्म कितनी है? 3 डिवाइडेड बाई x minus 6. आगे देखें माइनस x minus 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x minus 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 4 डिवाइडेड बाई x minus 5 इज इक्वल टू 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई, इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करके देखें तो 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x minus 6 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई x minus 5. ओके. Now the x minus 6 will be cancelled by x minus 6. I am left as the answer 3x minus 3 5 is 15 minus x minus 5 and x minus 5 are cancelled out. I am left as 4x minus minus plus 4 6 are 24. That is equal to, now multiply these both. What we are left as, first of all I am going to multiply it with x. So x square minus 5x minus 6x minus minus plus 6 5s are 30, right? So what we are going to have, जब हम इसे simplify करेंगे 3x minus 4x, it is going to be simple minus 1x minus 15 plus 24, that is give you the answer, it's plus 9, that is equal to x square minus 11x plus 30, right? Now after doing the simplification, हम इसको इधर shift करें, इसको इधर shift करें, things is the same, that is equal to x square minus 11x, this is minus x, when I will shift it, it will be plus x. It's plus 30 minus 9. Okay. Now what I am going to happen? X square minus 11 plus 1. It's minus 10x plus 30 minus 9. That will give you the answer plus 21. Okay. Now this is the pure quadratic equation. Sorry. This is the standard form of the quadratic equation. What can I write? It's x square minus 10x plus 21 is equal to 0. Where the coefficient of x square we have as a, that is 1. The coefficient of x as b, that is minus 10. The coefficient of c, that is equal to plus 21, right? So by using the quadratic formula, what I need to have, x is equal to, it's minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. अब देखें x is equal to minus into minus 10. Then we have plus minus b square कितना आएगा मेरे पास? minus 10 का square minus 4, a कितना है 1, c कितना है 21 divided by 2a, यानी कि 2 into 1. तो x का आंसर मेरे पास कितना आएगा? इट्स minus 10 plus minus 10 tens are minus minus plus 10 tens are, it's 100 minus 4 multiplied by 21. But it would be 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So 100 minus 84 will give you the answer. Plus minus. So what we are going to have, it's 100 minus minus plus, it would be positive. So 100 minus 84 will give you the answer 16 divided by 2. 16 is possible with square root, तो आपके पास आएगा plus minus 4 divided by 2. फाइनल आंसर कितना आएगा? It's 10 minus 4 over 2 and it's 10 plus 4 divided by 2. 10 minus 4 will give you the answer. X is equal to 6 by 2 and x is equal to 10 plus 14, that is equal 4, that is equal to 14 divided by 2. Cancel them. तो आपके पास आंसर आएगा, it's 2 3s are 6 and it's 2 7s are 14, right? So what is going to happen? आपके पास final answer, the solution set will be 3 and 7. Coming up with part number 8. Part number 8, same lines, same question as we have done in the previous part number 7. The question is exactly like this. So first of all, I am going to just simplify it. X plus 2 divided by x minus 1 minus 4 minus x divided by 2x is equal to 3 to the 6 plus 1 is 7 by 3. Okay. Now what I need to do, and what I am going to do next, it is multiply by LCM, and the LCM is 3, 2x and x minus 1. Okay. आप चाहे तो 6x minus 1 भी लिख सकते हैं, right? Okay, what I need to do, I am going to multiply it with 3 into 2x into x minus 1. Okay, बल्कि डायरेक्ट में कर लेती हूँ. 3 2s are 6x and x minus 1. Okay, अब देखिए क्या आएगा. 6x multiplied by x minus 1, it's x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. आगे देखिए minus आएगा मेरे पास 6x x माइनस 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 माइनस एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय 2x 6x into x minus 1 multiplied by 7 by 3. Do the cancellation. X minus 1 will be cancelled out. I am left as 6x square plus 2 6 are 12x. यहाँ पर x and x will be cancelled out. 2 3 are 6 will be cancelled out. So minus 3. अब x minus 1 को 4 minus x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें. सबसे पहले x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें. x into 4 that is 4x minus x square. अब माइनस 1 के साथ सॉल्व करें. x माइनस 4 1 जा 4 माइनस माइनस प्लस x 1 जा x दैट इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर आप कैंसिल करें तो आपके पास आएगा 3 2 जा 6 सो 2 7 जा 14 x इंटू एक्स माइनस 1. फाइन. अब इस ब्रैकेट को ओपन करें तो हमारे पास आएगा 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x माइनस 3 4 जा 12x माइनस माइनस प्लस 3x स्क्वायर माइनस माइनस प्लस 4 3 are 12 प्लस माइनस माइनस 3x दैट इज इक्वल टू 14x स्क्वायर माइनस 14 1 are 14x. ओके, व्हाट आई नीड टू डू फर्दर, मुझे सॉल्व करना है लाइक टर्म्स को. 6x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x स्क्वायर विल गिव यू द आंसर. इट्स पॉजिटिव 9x स्क्वायर प्लस 12x minus 12x will be cancelled out. I am only left as minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 14x square minus 14x. Okay, arrange them out. हमारे पास क्या आएगा उसको इधर ले आए. 9x square minus 14x square minus 3x minus minus plus 14x plus 12 that is equal to 0. Okay, 9x square minus 14x square that is equal to minus 5x square minus 3x plus 14 plus minus minus it is going to be plus 11x plus 12 that is equal to 0. आप इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हैं where the coefficient of a x square is a that is minus 5, b is equal to positive 11, c is equal to 12. इसके बाद आगे आपने सिंपल क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला के अंदर वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. Then you are left as the answer. I hope that the question is clear to you.